Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. It's right behind me. Let's start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille add a sharp feel on the front. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin Defender tires. Looking at the tread on those tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. We're going to take a look at the bed now. You do have a bed liner and then the soft cover on top. Those are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, four-wheel drive, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.